holding hands courtside to show a symbol of unity. Today on the front page, we interviewed the organizer of this peaceful demonstration.
So the inspiration really, it was something that I've been thinking about for a while. Just looking on the news, the media, I just see so much division within our country, within our society. So many people are quick to point fingers, blame certain groups of people, and I feel like instead we need to come together and stick side by each other in order to really solve the problems that are in our community. And one inspiration of this was in the celebration of Martin Luther King Day, just with his inspiring words resurfacing up and them just echoing in my head. I've just felt just encouraged to really take action to that. And then also we had a Holocaust survivor come speak to our campus, and she shared a message, and one quote that she said that really stuck with me was, say something before it's too late. And so that with the Martin Luther King celebration really just sparked an initiative in me to really start something and to gather support within my student body. I want this to be a very peaceful event, and so it's going to happen during the national anthem, but there will be a message to be recited before the national anthem is played, just to give a debrief of what the audience is going to be witnessing tonight, so that way there's no confusion on what this is. In no way do I want people in the audience, veterans, community members, or students to feel like this peaceful demonstration is a way of disrespecting the country, the flag, or the veterans who served this country. So really, I just want to encourage others to think beyond what they're used to. I just know within my upbringing, I've noticed some social issues that always kind of felt heavy in my heart about how I feel like there's always self-segregation of how we always go to those who look like us or talk like us or think like us. But I want to encourage those to reach out to those who don't look like you or talk like you. So that's something I want to encourage my community members here at USCA, here in Aiken, to just love one another and stick by each other.
We'll be back after a quick commercial break.
Everyone's a welcome guest at Crescent Automotive. We're Aiken's Choice Award winner 4 years in a row.
That probably has a lot to do with our low upfront windshield pricing and no additional processing fees.
Remember, everybody drives Crescent. You should too.
Welcome back to the front page, calling all artists. The City of Aiken Arts Commission is partnering with the Aiken Downtown Development Association to select visual artists to participate in painting a mural in downtown Aiken. Ride the Rail is returning. Ever wondered what it would be like to travel around the Aiken training track on your own horse? The opportunity to enjoy that experience will be available from noon to 3 p.m. on Sunday, February 23rd during the second edition of Ride the Rail. Don't wait to get your Real ID. Beginning October the 1st, a Real ID will be needed to board a domestic flight, enter a secure federal building, or visit a military installation. A passport works too. To read more about these stories, please visit aikenstandard.com. My name is Michel'le Jackson, and I will see you next time on the front page.